Hello my dear friends, let's start the properties of rational numbers class 8. We all know what are rational numbers, the numbers which we can write in the P upon Q form. This P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. So there are some properties of rational number under additions. What are these? Let's discuss them one by one. First is the closure property. It means the sum of any two numbers is always a rational number. What do you mean by this? When we add one rational number to another rational number, we will always get a rational number. So this is the closure property of addition of rational numbers. Since 5 by 6 is also a rational number, the property is verified. Next property is the commutative property, which means that if you change the order of addition, it does not change the sum. What does it mean? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Means if you add 1 plus 2 to 3 plus 4 or 3 plus 4 to 1 plus 2, the result will be the same, which is 5 plus 4. So this is the commutative property. Third property is the associative property, which means that changing the grouping of rational number does not change the sum. Like A plus B, if you do and add it into C, or B plus C you add it into A, there will be a no change. Let us understand with an example. Like 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, if you add in 1 plus 6, or if you add 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 6, the sum in 1 by 2, the answer will be the same. So if you associate the two numbers like this together or like this together and then add it in another number, it does not change the sum. This is called associative property. Next property is the additive identity. Which number is the additive identity? 0. It maintains the identity of a number. 0 is the additive identity because adding 0 to a rational number does not change its value. Like A plus 0 is equal to A. Let's understand with an example. If you add 0 in any rational number, you will get a rational number always, which is the number itself. So the 0 has not changed its identity. So this is additive identity, which is 0. And the last property of addition of rational number is additive inverse. In this, every rational number has an opposite number inverse whose sum is 0. Like if you have a rational number 3 by 5, you will add its negative form in it to get 0. If the number is given as minus 3 upon 5, then you will add plus 3 upon 5 in this so that you can get 0. So this is called additive inverse. So let's understand, recap all the properties again. First is the closure property, in which adding two numbers always give a rational number. Next is the commutative property. Change of the order of addition does not change the sum. Next is the associative property, in which the grouping of rational numbers does not change the sum. Fourth is additive identity, which is 0, adding 0 to a rational number. And last is additive inverse, which means adding a negative number or positive number, means inverse of that number to get the sum as 0. So these are the properties of addition of rational number. In the next video, we will discuss about properties of subtraction of rational numbers. So do subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends.